Hey guys, it's Dr. Smith, and we are in week 4. The biggest activity for this week is the word test. But even with the word test, we still have a few different trainings to complete as well. We need to complete the Access combined trainings, we need to complete the PowerPoint trainings, and then the Teams trainings. All 3 of those are click-through trainings to walk you through those 3 programs and how they work. The final task for the week is to create a LinkedIn Learning account and provide me a screenshot. The kicker with the LinkedIn Learning account is for you to get access to all the LinkedIn Learnings included in your Pellissippi tuition. You have to create it under your Pellissippi email address. And so that's why I require the screenshot. There's a document you can download, which will basically give you a view of what that screenshot should look like. As you can see, this is Professor Lambert's screenshot. When she clicks on her icon, once she's completed the account, it says Pellissippi State Community College. If I see your name in Pellissippi State Community College there, then I know that you've got the account that has the access to the LinkedIn Learnings included. Now, to create your LinkedIn Learning account, it's as simple as signing up for any other type of online website or social media. I'm going to search for LinkedIn Learning. Go ahead and click sign in. Now, you may already have an account created through the Pellissippi if you've used this for any other courses, so it might be worthwhile for you to try your email address. And if that doesn't work, then you can click join now. It'll ask you to create a username and password. Use your Pellissippi email account here, and then create your password. If you already have the account set up, when you click it, it will tell you that you've already had your account set up, and then you can type in the password you believe it is, or you can do a password recovery. See, in this case, when I tried to create the account, it says someone's already using that email. That means that I've already have the account set up, which I of course knew. So in this case, I'm going to type in my email address. I'm going to type in the password that I know, and then it's going to sign me in through Pellissippi State Community College. If you're already signed into your email account, Brightspace, it should automatically take you there. If not, it might have you do that password verification authentication thing. But anyways, once you're here, you should see the Pellissippi crest right here, and then you click your name, and then this is where you would do a screenshot. And that's all you have to do for this assignment. Capture that screenshot and then upload it into that Brightspace assignment, and you're done. Now, for the info that you're all probably really interested in, the online word test. The online word test, I have the instructions here. Do not wait till the last minute to try this. It does use the Verity proctoring tool, which I have a second video. I premiered it last week. I'm going to include it in this week as well, walking you through how to get that Verity web browser extension installed and how to open up an incognito tab or a private window to be able to run that proctoring software for the test. In the walkthrough video, I use Google Chrome, but I have enabled Edge and Safari and some other web browsers as well. However, I don't have personal experience running those with the proctoring tool. So if you do get stuck, I would recommend checking out all the FAQs and resources, tutorials that we've provided, but you can also reach out to the IT help desk. Now, I'm going to show you what the question looks like. It's going to look a little bit different for you, but essentially there's only one question for the test, and it involves a Word start file and Word test instructions. The start file is going to operate very much like the projects we have. It's going to be the document. You're going to have to make edits to it. The Word test instructions are step by step, and each one of those counts for points. So follow each one. This is a preview of what the test instructions look like. I do want to point out, number 1, perhaps the easiest points you can get, you need to name it correctly. It needs to say your last name and business report. Those are easy points for you to get, but also easy points for you to miss if you skip this step. Now, one thing about the rest of the instructions for this test, it does assume that you know how to do these things. So unlike some of the trainings and some of the projects that we've done, this does not walk you through every button that you need to click. You're going to need to be comfortable to do that to be able to do this test within the time limit. The start file at a first glance is going to look something like this. There are 3 aspects to the file. They are separated by section breaks. So then each section you can control its margins and its orientation per the instructions. We start with basically a block formatted letter, or what you will make block formatted letter. The second section is almost like a flyer. This is something that you've worked on in Module 3. The final section is similar to Module 2. It's going to be basically an MLA formatted paper. Complete all those instructions to the best of your ability. You'll submit it as the answer to that question 1. And then I will be manually grading these. After the due date, I'll start manually grading these. Usually it'll take me 2 or 3 days. So that's week 4. Again, the word test, the biggie. But you also have the Access training, the PowerPoint training, the Teams training, and the LinkedIn Learning profile. Please don't wait till the last minute to get these started. I would hate for you to run into technical difficulties near the deadline and not be able to get those addressed, or to be able to contact me because it might be late at night. But I will help you otherwise any way that I can. Do remember I have office hours Mondays and Wednesdays at 5:30. Happy to help you if I can.